October 18th, 1962, 2:43 a.m. Deep beneath the granite mountains of Colorado Springs, the United States prepared for the possibility that human civilization could end before sunrise. Hidden nearly 2,000 feet underground, inside the heavily fortified Cheyenne Mountain complex, military officers stared silently at glowing radar screens while the world above slept unaware. The Cold War had pushed humanity to the edge of nuclear annihilation, and inside this secret bunker, America's most powerful commanders believed Soviet missiles could appear on their monitors at any second. Massive steel blast doors weighing over 20 tons sealed the facility from the outside world. Behind those doors existed an underground fortress designed to survive direct nuclear impact while the surface of Earth burned in atomic fire. As fear spread across Washington during the terrifying days of the Cuban Missile Crisis, the bunker transformed into a living machine of paranoia and survival. Thousands of cables ran through concrete tunnels filled with flashing warning lights, military maps, and the constant sound of radar systems scanning the skies for incoming Soviet bombers. Inside the war room, officers from North American Aerospace Defense Command monitored every movement across North America, calculating how many minutes remained before total destruction if nuclear war began. Some estimates predicted over 100 million deaths within hours. Entire American cities were expected to vanish beneath mushroom clouds. Families above ground continued their normal lives, while hidden underground, military planners quietly prepared for the collapse of civilization itself. The bunker contained its own water supply, power systems, food storage, medical facilities, and emergency sleeping quarters. Engineers designed the complex to continue operating even after multiple nuclear explosions. Giant springs beneath the buildings absorbed shockwaves from atomic blasts, allowing commanders to keep fighting while the world outside collapsed into radioactive darkness. Every hallway carried the unbearable tension of men waiting for the signal that could trigger the end of humanity. Then, suddenly, during one terrifying night of the Cold War, radar systems inside NORAD detected what appeared to be incoming nuclear missiles approaching North America. Alarm sirens echoed through the mountain as military personnel rushed to battle stations, believing World War III had finally begun. For several horrifying minutes, the bunker prepared for nuclear retaliation before operators discovered the terrifying truth. A training simulation tape had been accidentally loaded into the live defense system. One simple human mistake had nearly pushed the planet into global nuclear war.